Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is my final review for today, and I know that this is something totally different from what I'm used to reviewing, but I'm here for it 1000%. Why? Because I've always wanted to try the Afro wigs by Freetress Equal. Guys, this is an Afro wig large, and I have her in the color 1B. I think there's small and medium as well, so if you don't want it this big, you don't have to get it this big. So this is a large, and like I said, I've always wanted to try one of the Afro wigs. Like, I've seen a lot of people create so many beautiful looks with these Afro wigs, and I just wish that I had accessories to put in it, like maybe a little butterfly here, maybe a little rose right here, but I don't. So I mean, I'm all plain Jane, but nonetheless I am loving this look. Like I said, 1000%. I don't care what anybody say, I'm here for it. Like, I'm really here for it. Now, first of all, I know not everyone is into the Afro looks, but I'm really into the Afro hair looks because I always put my hair into an Afro, and of course I cut my hair almost every year, so it's short. I never get this big of an Afro, but I really wish that my hair was this big because I will definitely be wearing this everywhere, anywhere. Like, I'll be wearing my hair like this all the time. If you have a problem with it, take it up with my manager. Like, listen, I'm feeling myself in this. I don't know. I'm really feeling myself in this unit right now. But anyway, guys, you know, once you have the Afro hair, you gotta pull out your pick. So I got my pick and I just picked it out. Now the cap, first of all, let me get into the cap, okay? The cap doesn't come with any combs whatsoever, which is perfect for me. There's no combs in the wig, but you do have adjustable straps in the back, so you can adjust it to fit your head size. Now, the entire cap is a mesh net material, but it's not a stretchable one. It's just a regular mesh net material. So I would say it's about small to, not small, but maybe medium to large. I'm not sure because the cap doesn't really stretch a lot, but it still feels like it could fit a larger head size. I don't know, that's kind of weird, but regardless, I think it can fit a larger head size. And even if it don't fit your head fully, with all this hair, it can definitely cover it up, and you can definitely just add a hairpin in there so it wouldn't fall off. Right now I'm feeling secure. It's not going anywhere. Like, look at this. It's not even stiff wear. Look at this. It shakes. It shakes. I just wish I had some accessories to put in this. So like I said, I used my pick and I picked it out like this. That's all you pretty much have to do. If you want to trim it down, you could. I didn't see the need to trim it down at all, because I mean, why trim it down? If you want something smaller, get the small. If you want something smaller, get the medium, you know. But you don't have to cut anything off of this, in my opinion. Plus, it's a natural, you know, texture, so you can always like pat on it like this. If you want it smaller, you pat on it like this and it goes down. See how that went down a little bit there? Yeah, that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. But if you're looking for more of a fuller, you know, look and stuff like that, then definitely take your pick and pick it out. Alright. Now, this wig has been out for ages. This wig has been out for a very long time now. I'm just now getting it to review, and I'm excited. I've never been this excited about a wig before. Honestly, I'm really excited. Now, the only thing I don't like is that on the stock card it says Carnival Halloween wig. I don't know why I feel offended by this, but I feel a little bit offended by this Carnival Halloween wig. I mean, I know it comes in rainbow, it comes in red, pink, purple, it comes in a lot of like green, blue, orange. It comes in a lot of bright colors. You also get 1B, 2, 4. You know, you get 613, you get 1B30, you know, stuff like that. But at the same time, you remember we had some rainbow wigs with like purple, blue, yellow. I think it was by Sensational, and it was straight, and nobody called it a carnival or Halloween wig. You know, so why call this a carnival or Halloween wig? Is it because it's big like this? Is it because it's Afro hair? Like, I don't get it. So I was really offended by that, but I'm gonna ignore it. I'm gonna ignore it, and I'm gonna love on this Afro right now. But like I said, you guys, if you want to purchase it, the link will be in the description box down below. You can definitely just click on the link. It will take you directly to this unit, and you can purchase from there. And yeah, let me know if you're into this style as much as I am. Am I bugging? Am I taking it back there? Yeah, I know. You know, they used to wear that back in the day, but a lot of people wear their natural Afros out now, and it looks beautiful. So I'm jealous of this right now. I wish my hair was like this. Okay, but anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this hair, leave it in the comment section down below. Leave your honest opinion down below. Like, if you don't like it, let me know, and let me know why. You better have a good reason why you don't like it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.